Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions makeup tutorial on a lot of new releases that just launched in Sephora. I have so much makeup here in front of me that I want to try out for you guys today. This is the look that I came up with. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look and what products I tried on today, then keep on watching. I have two palettes in front of me. One is the Backtalk palette right here, and another is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So I've already filmed a palette review and a tutorial with this palette, so it will be up on my channel next week, so do stay tuned for that. For now, we're going to tackle the ABH Soft Glam palette. So this is how the palette looks like. This is a velvet kind of covering right here. Feels really smooth. So you have your beautiful mattes right here, and then you have these kind of nice shimmers here on the top row. I want to swatch this shade right here. This is the bronze shade. Just want to see how it looks like. So that's the color right there. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Rustic. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush. Just put it in my crease. Also bringing it down in the inner third of the eye. So I'm noticing that the mattes have a little bit of fallout, but they're blending quite nicely. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Mulberry. And I'm actually going to even put it a little bit on my 1/3 of my eye and then just blend it out here. Take a fluffy brush, this is ColourPop, and just blend the inner corners and just make sure everything's blended pretty well. I'm going to go in with the bronze shade now. Deepen up my outer corner and my crease a little bit. So now we're going to go in with the brown liner. This is Marc Jacobs Brownie Points, and I'm going to run that in the lower lash line. Gonna take a flat brush like this, go in with the shade Mulberry again, and just run that in the lower half of my eyes. Go back in with bronze and just kind of intensify the inner corner just a little bit. So I don't have any new mascara or eyeliner to try out, so I'm going to add my mascara, liner, and false lashes, and I'll be right back and we'll get started with the face. Okay guys, so I finished my eye look. Now let's get on to trying out some face products. I have the new Cover FX Power Play foundation right here. This is in the shade G50. So this foundation actually came in a lot of different shades, so there's something for everyone out there for this Power Play foundation, so I'm quite excited to try it out today. It comes in a bottle like this, so I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, and I'm only going to use like one pump right here. It is supposed to be like a medium coverage, I think, medium to full coverage. So let's give it a go. So that matches my skin tone. Oh, or is it a little bit lighter? Cannot tell. Let me just kind of put this foundation on and then I'll zoom you guys in. Foundation is a little bit light for me, just like tiny bit, so I'm just bringing it down to my neck just so it doesn't look weird. Let me zoom you guys in. That is how the foundation looks like. I mean, even though it's a matte coverage, it feels really nice on the skin. Even though this is a kind of medium to full coverage foundation, I'm quite enjoying the way it looks on my skin right now. It doesn't feel drying or anything like whatsoever. Okay, so new concealer I want to try out today is this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I'm in the shade 3W. Yeah, 3W. Let me blend this out. Feels pretty full coverage to me. Like this is like Shape Tape full coverage. This concealer, although I don't think I can use it for every day, it is not as creamy as my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. So you need very little of this concealer. Yeah, it is a pretty full coverage concealer. It's not caking up or anything like that, so I'm happy about that. Let me just quickly powder my skin with the Laura Mercier powder. Skin looks pretty flawless right now. Yeah. So next up, I'm going to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. It's in the shade Saddle. That's a pretty bronzer. Next up, we have highlighter, and this highlighter I've been dying to try out ever since it got released. This is the new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter with Amrezy. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful, guys. Oh, that is amazing. Yes, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful color. Oh my god. Ah, it's so pretty. So one thing I'll say about this highlighter is that it's pretty, like, you know, pressed in tightly in there. Highlighter is obviously like really nice, but it's not really emphasizing any texture, and it's not so glittery or anything like that either. So it is a pretty like wet shine, and yeah, just love it. So I actually forgot to put on blush, so let's do that right now. This is the Bare Minerals blush in the shade That Peach Though, and that's what it looks like. It's a very pretty color for spring. That is a really pretty shade. And it's quite buildable. You can see that. It's very buildable, which I love. Last bit is lips, and I'm going to line my lips with this MAC pencil right here called Hover. For lipstick today, I'm going to try out this shade right here called Kat 1D Studded Kiss Lipstick. This is in the shade OG Lolita. She came out with these Studded Kiss lipsticks like a month or 2 months ago. I can't remember, but these colors are like stunning. So I'm going to swatch this quickly. So that's what the shade looks like. Very pretty. Such an everyday kind of color. It's a comfort matte formula. Feels really nice on the lips. Feels like it just glided on my lips with no issues whatsoever. Alright guys, so that completes this first impressions makeup tutorial on new releases from Sephora. This look came out so nice. I am obsessed with this look. So I have nothing bad to say about any of these products that I tried on today. One thing I'm gonna say about the ABH Soft Glam palette is that the mattes do have a bit of fallout, so do be careful when you're using it. So the foundation in itself, medium to full coverage, you know, looks pretty matte on the skin, but it is not drying whatsoever. Like, I didn't have any primer on, and it still looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna really recommend this foundation for those of you who are looking for a full coverage foundation. I'm gonna say that for those of you who have, you know, severely dry skin, they may not like this formula, but other than that, normal to oily will probably really enjoy this one. The Laura Mercier concealer, personally, I like a more medium coverage concealer for everyday. I don't like a very full coverage, and this one is pretty damn full coverage. So I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it did the job good. It covered up really nicely and nothing is creasing. So in terms of the formula, it's really good. But I don't think I can use this for every day. You know, maybe I'll keep these for special occasions. Just like with the Tarte Shape Tape, I don't use it every day. So I'll zoom you guys in for a closer look at my makeup. For now, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!